Hello everyone, so this is Inverse03 and today I'm going to share some news with you for which I definitely need your help. So HLG doing this share squad event in which they are going to give a certain winner 10,000 yen. The first prize is 10,000 yen, second is 5,000 yen, third is 2,000 yen and five randomly selected winners get 1,000. How do you win this? Well, you guys don't specifically. I win this. But let me tell you how this benefits you. If I win the first or second prize, I am eligible enough to buy a certain RG and use the leftover money to ship it to India. And this is why I'm going to do a giveaway for this if I win this. Why am I saying I will do the giveaway with this money? Because after receiving such a warm welcome from all of you about the my HLJ unboxing and the HLJ Q&A video, I thought these people deserve a little something special. I have to be honest. I really do want to give you guys some motivation for this. So if I win this 1,000 yen, this is for giveaway winner. He can buy whatever stuff he wants. I will personally add to make the order with the video conference as the evidence, and I will also share all the details of the order on the channel. Not the personal address though, that's the winner's person info. I won't share it. I will just help make the order using this money. So how to enter this? Well, I have a certain link down in the description. You go to that link, you see whatever they have to offer. It will be, well, it is fine if you just view the list, search around using that link on HLG, but I will be very happy if you are already going to make orders using that link. This will give me a chance to win, and I will be able to use that prize money to ship something to India, and I might be able to share it with you. And there's also 20% off shipping. So if you guys are going to buy something from HLJ, please do this before 22nd December. There's 20% off shipping, guys. That's a lot. If you are going to buy something for, if the shipping fee is 2,000 yen, then 200, how much is 20%? Well, let's just say there are 2,400 yen something is gone, I guess. Still, that's a lot. That is still a lot. So please do your shopping using my affiliated link down in the description. Help me with them with this contest, and I will do a giveaway, and I will share this prize money with the winner if I get the first or second one. You guys doing anything using my link on HLG is fine. Thank you very much. Hope you guys have a good Christmas and good orders in shopping.